Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in this video, I will show you how to create a crop video in Filmora video editing software. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you import your media file into the preview right here. Now, next thing you want to do is to drag the file one after the other. First thing first, drag your primary video. So this is going to serve as my primary video right here. I'm going to drag into the timeline. Then go ahead and click on Keep Project Settings. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select your overlay video. So I'm going to drag this as my overlay video, Keep Project Settings. Now we have all the video right here in the clip. Now if you play this video here, you can see the overlay has covered the full entire workspace. How do we work on this to make it more perfect? First thing first, you can decide to crop a video that we want to use for overlay, and for that, go ahead and select the timeline. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on the crop right here, and this is going to pop up right here. Then go ahead and select the area you want to crop off. So drag the crop angle right here, and then I'm good with this. Come down below right here, click on apply. Now you have your video being cropped. Now how do you apply the circle crop effect? Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here and make sure you navigate to your effects tab. Then after open up your effects tab, click on the search right there and search for image mask. So go ahead and select image mask, and in a few seconds it's going to give you the result right here. What you need is this one right here, image mask. So you can see when I hover the mouse on the image mask, it's circle crop the area. So next thing you want to do is to drag it all over the video in the timeline. Boom, you have it right here. Then you can scale in or scale out and adjust your video in the timeline. So for that, come to the scale right here, go ahead and drag. And then once you are satisfied with the video size, then you are good to go. So I'm going to scroll down. Then you can position the video anywhere on the screen. You can decide to make it the center, corner, bottom, side view, and the center bottom right here. Anywhere you can position the overlay circle crop. Now, once you add a circle crop right here, next thing you want to do is to see how we can add some effects to this particular circle crop. In some cases, if you are trying to play the overlay and you find out that some area side by side need to be adjusted, just like this one right here, so like this. So if you want to, like this side right here, you want to adjust it to other side. So what you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you go to Effects tab right here. Then under the X, you can adjust. Then you can also adjust from Y, the width and the height and the feather of the image mask. For you to adjust the feather, you can drag it this way. The more you drag the feather, the more it's going to be reflected in the video. So it's not going to be a full crop. So let me check on the preview so you can see we have successfully added feather right here. Now we want to go back right here. Now you want to add color border to the video in the overlay right here. So for that, come back to your Effects tab right here. Select on Effects tab. This time around, what you need to search for is border. Go ahead and search for border, and in a few seconds, you're going to see similar results based on the keyword of the effect you are looking for. So this is border. Select this free border right here, drag it and drop on the video clip. Boom, you have it right here. Now you can decide to change the color of the border. Come to the start color right here. Choose whatever color of your choice. If you are not satisfied with that, you can go ahead and choose another color. You can go on and try and experiment different types of color. Then for the end color right here, you can choose another color of your choice. Lastly, we can decide to remove border of the image mask. So come down below right here and turn off the effect border. This will give you a full outline of the circle crop in your Filmora video editing software. We can decide to make the circle crop to appear from the beginning of the video, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.